All right, we are still here downtown Milford. I'm here with, what's your name?
My name is Stephanie.
I'm here with Stephanie, and she is wearing my glasses because
Yes.
she looks better in them. So we're gonna go with that. We're here talking to people about Miss Dig 811. Why do you think it's important for people to use Miss Dig 811?
So there's no uncalled for damages. So, when people are digging, there's no mistakes that happen, and it's just a better protocol.
That's exactly right. And do you know the number to use to dial Miss Dig 811?
Yes, 1-800-MISDIG.
Yes, she knows the real deal, the real number.
OG number.
Thank you so much. You have a great day.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Thank you for watching Miss Diggs What's the 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.